Windows cannot be installed to this hard drive disk space. Bitlocker drive encryption is enabled. How to solve this issue? As you can see, I'm trying to install Windows 11, but Bitlocker encryption is showing here. Now there are two ways that I will show you. The first one, you need to press Shift and F10, and command prompt will be available here, and just type this command, and like this we will check here, and after that we can remove or we can unlock. But if you have the encryption key, but if you don't have encryption key, there is another solution. Now the first one is to delete all the partitions. Now as you can see, I will delete this partition, also this one, and then we'll create new, and you are done. So these are the two methods. The first one, if you have encryption key, just unlock it. Otherwise, delete all the partitions and install and create again. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobile YouTube channel.